How to add character AI to Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add character AI in your Discord server. So first of all you have to do is just open your Discord account, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, just open a new window, and on the search bar just simply search for discord.com/developer/docs/intro. And once you press enter, you will be landed to the developer page in the Discord server account. And after that, from the left hand side menu, you will see all these options. You just simply have to click on applications from the top, and over here you will see the option to add new application into the Discord server from the top right corner. Just simply click on it right beside your profile icon, and after that you need to give a name to the application or the character that you want to create. So I'm just giving it a name. Just give it any name as per your choice, and after that just click on the terms and condition of the developer in the Discord server, and after that just simply click on create. Now you can go ahead and add a profile picture of the character that you are building over here in the Discord server, and you can also give the description of the appearance about the bot or the profile for the character that you are building right here. And you can also add the tags in the tags section in order to help people to find you better. For example, you add similar tags with which your friends or the people that might follow you on your Discord will recognize you. So just add those tags right here, and after that, once you're done entering all these details, just simply click on save profile. And once you click on save profile, your character AI will be added to your Discord server. So this is basically how you will be able to add character AI in your Discord server. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.